Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to level up your restaurant business and know the secrets on how to attract more customers? In today's video we will talk about the 7 effective strategies to attract more customers in your restaurant. This video is brought to you by TouchSuite, your trusted partner in merchant and payment processing and POS systems. Don't forget to click like, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. 1. Harness the power of social media. We're talking about the undeniable power of social media. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer a golden opportunity for restaurants to connect with potential customers. Whether it's sharing menu updates, behind-the-scenes glimpses, or running exciting contests, social media can build a loyal following. 2. Offer complimentary Wi-Fi. It's not just about connectivity, it's about creating an environment where customers can linger longer, increasing the chances of additional orders. With the relatively low setup cost, offering free Wi-Fi is a valuable investment that caters to the needs of today's consumers. 3. Host live entertainment. Live music and entertainment can elevate the dining experience and set your restaurant apart. Whether it's a local band or renowned musicians, live performances create a unique atmosphere that keeps customers coming back. 4. Leverage email marketing. Moving on to a timeless tool, email marketing. Building an email list gives you a direct line to your audience. Send personalized promotions and updates, offer exclusive discounts, and keep your restaurant top of mind. 5. Embrace online ordering and delivery. In the age of convenience, online ordering and food delivery are game changers. Partner with popular food delivery apps, make your menu accessible to a wider audience, and tap into the growing demand for convenience. 6. Implement gift card incentives. Gift cards are a versatile marketing tool that can attract new customers and drive repeat business. Use them in contests, charity events, or as rewards for loyal patrons. 7. Collaborate with social media influencers. Amplify your marketing efforts by collaborating with social media influencers. Their dedicated following trusts their recommendations, making them powerful advocates for your restaurant. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to check out TouchSuite for all your payment solutions. Trusted by over 50,000 companies worldwide for over 20 years. Thanks for watching, and until next time.